Wrapping up with, let's wrap up, unveiling its usage in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English phrase, let's wrap up. This phrase is often heard in meetings, classrooms, and casual conversations. Understanding its use will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and get to the bottom of this expression. Let's wrap up is a phrasal verb that means to bring something to a conclusion or to finish something. It's like tying up the loose ends of a package before you complete the wrapping. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal meetings to informal chats. It signals that it's time to summarize the main points or to complete the final tasks. You can use, let's wrap up, when you're nearing the end of a discussion or activity. For example, in a meeting, when time is running short, a leader might say, we've had a great discussion, but let's wrap up. This cues everyone to start concluding their thoughts. It's a polite way to indicate that it's time to end the conversation or activity soon. To give you a better understanding, let's look at a few examples. In a meeting, we've covered all the agenda items, so let's wrap up with some final remarks. In a classroom, class is almost over. Let's wrap up by reviewing the key points. During a project, we're nearly done with the work. Let's wrap up by checking everything is complete. It's important to note that, let's wrap up, should be used in a friendly tone to maintain politeness. It's a collaborative phrase, inviting others to join in the conclusion process rather than commanding them. I hope this video helps you understand and use, let's wrap up, confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about bringing things to a neat conclusion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily English communication.